How to change seats on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change seats on Xiamen Airlines. So if this is your question, do not worry, just ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first step is for you to log into your Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here. And once you're on this accounts page, the next step is for you to move to the section where you can see book flights, flight status, my trip, optional services. But before then, ensure that you're logged into your account, all right? So once you're logged in and you're on your home page, click on the optional services option and then click on advanced seat selection. And so while clicking on that, you'll be taken to your flight page where you'll be asked to select the flight, whose seats you would like to change. Ensure you select the flight, and as you can see here, you'll be asked to enter in first name, last name as it appears on the flight that you want to change its seat. So ensure you enter in your last name, your first name, your email, the ticket number, the ticket document number in here. All right. If you want to enter in document number or ticket number, select the kind of document that you'd like to add, the number, then click on search, and then the flight will be displayed. Select the flight. After selecting the flight that you would like to change its seat, go ahead, look for the seats that you would like to change from the seat map that will be displayed. And then once you've done that, the money that you have to pay will be displayed to you. Make your payments, and then your seats will be changed and booked. It is best for you to choose your seats online so as to pick the exact location you would like to sit before you get to the airport. So thank you for watching everyone, and have a good day.